Hello kids, today we learn number 1. 1, 1. 1. Show me your one finger like this. Yes, one finger. Let's count together. One finger. Look, one apple. One apple. Look, one car R. Look, one ball, one. Now, let's write number 1. 1, 1. Start from the top and go down. Start from the top and go down. Start from the top and go down. Good job! Let's spell it together. O-N-E, 1. Let's say it again. 1. Very good. 1, 1. One finger, one apple, one car, one ball, 1. Quiz time! Which one is number 1? Yes, that's number 1. Great job! Let's sing together.